Enjoy peaceful living on this 1.012 acres with great building size for the home of your dreams. This subdivision offers a community boat ramp, pavilion and pool to enjoy summer afternoons. South Point is deed restricted to site-built homes with a minimum of 2,000 square feet living space with no time limit to build. Important: ask for maps and access before you go. For more information or to view this property, call the Teel team at 903-874-0001. That's 903-874-0001.